Okay, so I'm now going to show you how to fit the JayJays Molle Yoke to a JayJays belt system. Okay, I'm going to use the Molle pad for this demonstration purely because it makes it easier to see where the straps are without all the pouches in the way, but it's the same process for all JayJays belt kits. It's worth noting at this point that the D-rings we use on all our belt kit are these heavy duty plastic D-rings. Lots of advantages. They're way stronger than standard plastic D-rings, and you don't have any of problems of them rusting up and breaking or becoming secondary fragmentation if you get trip an ID or something. So really good quality D-rings there on all our belt kit. So to fit the yoke then, start off by prepping your straps and undo all the straps out of their buckles so you've got free running webbing. Okay. Then select the rear two center straps, and you're looking for the rear two center D-rings. Simply thread the strap through the D-ring and then back through the tri-glide. Same on the other side. At this stage, it's worth noting that you don't have to be too precise where it goes. You can do a final adjustment once you a bit of a trial and error fit, but you want to be somewhere reasonably fitting. But at this point, we don't need to worry about it too much. Again, we don't need to worry about threading the webbing back through the tri-glide just yet, because we're going to be doing some further adjustment. It's the same process with the outer webbing on the back of the yoke. Goes through the next two D-rings on the belt kit. Simply thread those through. Again, same sketch as the back two center straps. We don't need to be too precise just yet, just somewhere in the region. So that's the rear forward done for now. We flip it over and come to do the shoulder strap webbing. Now, slightly different process for this, but not a great deal. Through the D-ring and then through the adjustable buckle. No need to lock this one off. You want to keep this one adjustable for when you're in a harbour area, or whether you're getting in and out of vehicles or whatever. You can put some adjustment in there if you need to. Okay, same process on the other side. Through the D-ring and then back up through the adjustable buckle. Okay, it should look something like that, sitting reasonably even all over. Okay, you then need to try it on, and probably a good idea to have your pouches weighted so that it hangs correctly, and do a final check. So none of these want to have any sort of one more loose than the other, or it's going to hang strange. All right. You also need to determine whether you're going to be wearing your belt kit over or under your armour. Okay. The Molle Yoke, the JayJays Molle Yoke, can be worn either under your armour. There's no particular lumps and bumps anywhere where it's going to start digging in, or you can wear it over the top. It really doesn't matter. But that will greatly affect the length of these straps, whether you wear it underneath or over the top. Once you've done your final adjustments and you've worn it, got it stable, then the rear straps on the tri-glides, you simply thread the ends back through the tri-glide to lock it off, and that's a bomb-proof lock there. Don't try that at home. And then you can tuck the end away into the D-ring if you want, just to keep those ends out of the way. If you want to secure those ends with tape, go right ahead, but that D-ring, that tri-glide is now locked solid. It won't come undone unless you unthread it back through the buckle. And that is how you set up a JayJays 6-point yoke. Thanks for watching.